Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can leave a community on Reddit, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to leave a Reddit community, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Reddit. And once you're on Reddit, next, I want you to tap the menu button at the top left corner. And once you're on the menu, I want you to tap the Communities section. So here in the Community section, you will now be able to see all the Reddit communities you've joined, so just select the one for which you want to leave. And after selecting, you will now be in the community. So to leave the community, you just need to tap the three dots on the top right corner. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the leave option at the bottom, so just tap it to leave the community. And after that, Reddit will ask you for confirmation if you really want to leave, so just tap the leave button to confirm it. And after tapping it, it's done. Congratulations, you have now left your Reddit community. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.